Free school transport explained, from who's eligible to how it works. When choosing which schools to apply for, it is important to consider how your child will get there. Is my child eligible for free school travel? Yes, if they are 8 or over and the school is more than 3 miles away. Yes, if they are aged 11 to 16 and go to a school 2 to 6 miles away and if it's one of their 3 nearest suitable schools. What do I need to do if I think my child is eligible? You should check your local authority website to see the school travel policy and find out how to apply. My child has a special educational need or disability. What does this mean for them? Your local authority will assess whether your child meets the eligibility criteria. They may ask for information to help them decide whether your child would be able to walk to school. If your child is eligible, your local authority will make suitable travel arrangements for them, taking into account their needs. The authority will pay for this and your child will be supported by a trainer to learn how to travel to school independently, for example, on public transport. What if my child spends time at more than one address? It's not normally possible to provide eligible children with travel to and from more than one address. Check out your local authority's school travel policy. Come back soon for more traveling tips for secondary school.